Today we are going to see about the Lagrange's interpolation formula. Till now we have seen about Newton's forward and backward interpolation formula. But we can use only that when the values of x are at equidistance. அதாவது the difference between the two x values should be the same throughout the table. But if they are not equidistant, then we go for the Lagrange's interpolation formula. Now what is that? That is y equal to, first you have to say y0, y1, y2 இப்படியே போகுது. Okay, keep it like that. Now what is this first term? y0. So I should have not have x0 in the numerator, that is x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x1 xn அது வரைக்கும் போயிட்டு, now instead of since I am having y0 coefficient, I will be having x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2 till I will be having till x0 minus xn. Similarly, now this will be my first term, so this is x minus x0, that is my x minus x1 term will not be there. அப்புறம் x minus x2 till x minus xn. இங்க x1 term தானே I should be having, so that term I will be having here. That will be my first term, x1 minus x0 into x1 minus x2 till x1 minus xn. Similarly, till we have to keep on going like this. Okay, we have totally 5 sums only in this model. One example and 4 sums in your exercise. Obviously, in the 5 sums you should at least work out and see at least 2 sums, because this is an important 5-mark question which was asked in the recent public exam. So you should be confident in doing this sum. This is very easy. We will see how we will do it. Okay, now we are going to see in exercise 5.2 our ninth problem. They are saying, using interpolation, estimate the output of the factory where my x is equal to 1986. They have given 1986. Now when I read the table, I can understand it is equally distributed, but at the same time I am not having the value between 82 and 1990. The 1986 is missing. Yes, so I can say there is a gap. So I am going to use Lagrange's interpolation formula. Then okay, now how I am going to use, we will see. First of all, we have to form one table. How I am going to form one table? See, it will be like x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3. I have 4 values of x, so this will be my first portion. Then I will have x0, then it will be x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, then x0 minus x3. Then I will take x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3. Finally I will be getting only x2 minus x3. இது வந்து cyclic போறது. Taking first வந்து given x ல இருந்து x0, x1, x2, x3 subtract பண்ணி எழுதணும். Then x0 ல இருந்து x1, x2, x3 subtract பண்ணி எழுதணும். x1 ல இருந்து x2, x3 subtract பண்ணி எழுதணும். x2 ல இருந்து x3. So இது ஒரு small table மாதிரி நீங்க போட்டு வச்சிட்டா it will be easy for you to substitute. Okay, what is my x? 1986 minus what is my x0? In the question the x0 is 1974. So I can say 1974. Then 1986 minus 1978. Then 1986 minus 1982. Then 1986 minus 1990. This is my first portion. Then coming to x0 minus x1. x0 is 1974. What is my x1? 1978. Again 1974 minus 1982. Then 1974 minus 1990. Yes. Then coming to the x1. What is my x1? It is 1978 minus 1982. Then x1 again 1978 minus what is my x3? It is 1990. Now x2 is 1982 minus 1990. I will start filling the values now. What is 1986 minus 1974? I can take that as my first value, which is equal to 12. Then I subtract this, I will be getting 8. Then this is plus 4 and this will become minus 4. Here, what is 1974 minus 1978? I will be getting it as minus 4. Then this is minus 8. Then this is minus 16. Then what is this value? This is minus 4 and this is minus 12. And this will become minus 8. Remember, this is purely a rough column or a rough table which we are going to use. There is no mark for this table. I'll write it here. No mark. Only your rough work. Okay, this is your rough work. First of all, find out all these values. Now I have to write the formula. How will I write the formula? First I'll write like this. Okay, I'll write first like this. How I'm going to, this is going to be anyway a denominator 1. So first one, y naught. So the x naught should come first. So x naught minus x1 into x naught minus x2 into x naught minus x3. This total portion should come. Okay, on the top or the numerator, I will have to leave out x naught and write the remaining values. So what will be the remaining 3? This will be my remaining 3. So x minus x3. Now coming here, what will be happening? I am having y1. So I have to leave out this x1 term. So I can write only the remaining terms. So this will become x1, x minus x2 into x minus x3. What will be my denominator? It will be only x1 minus x2. Before that I should have x1 minus x0 and x1 minus x2 into x1 minus x3. Here I have to have only find out this value explicitly. Okay, we will see how we are going to substitute. Before that I will finish off this table. Here I don't want x2 because I don't want, I am in the y2 term. So I don't want that, so I can write only the other 3 terms. So any time I will be getting 3 terms. So this will become x2 minus x0 into x2 minus x1 into x2 minus x3. What about this place? This place I don't want this x minus x3 alone. So I will be having only the other portion. First fix the numerator and then we come to the denominator. It is 3. So x3 minus x0, x3 minus x1 and x3 minus x2. Okay. Now we are going to fill the values. How I am going to fill the values? First I can leave the first term. So this 8 into 4 into minus 4. Okay. Divided by x0 minus x1. These 3 terms. x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2. So I can directly substitute minus 4, minus 8, minus 16. What is my y0? y0 they have given in the question as 25. So I can write 25. First term over. Coming to the second term. Again I can leave this term and I can write 12 into 4 into minus 4. Now coming to x1 minus x0. We know x0 minus x1 which is equal to minus 4. So when I replace, அதாவது reverse பண்ணினா I will be getting x1 minus x0. Reverse பண்ணும்போது எனக்கு ஒரு minus sign வரும். So minus of minus I will be getting that as plus. So இது ஒரு values மட்டும் நம்ம மைண்டில் calculate பண்ணி போட்டுக்கலாம். அதுக்கு தனியாக entry போகணும் தேவையில்லை. So x1 minus x2. What is my x1 minus x2? Again minus 4. x1 minus x3 minus 12. What is my y2? y2 வந்துட்டு I am getting it as அல்லது questionல கொடுத்துருக்காங்க 60. Then I will be having one more 2 terms, அதாவது other terms, that is x minus x0. Again 12 into 8 into minus 4 divided by what I have to have 3 terms. x2 minus x0. I know x0 minus x2. So other reverse பண்ணனா I will be getting 8. Then I should have 2 more values, that is x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1. So in the x1 minus x2 reverse பண்ணனா I will be getting that. Then x2 minus x3, that is I have already found out. What is my y3? y3 I know that value as 80 because it is given in the text or the question. then y4 I can இப்போதைக்கு substitute பண்ணிக்கலாம் y3 117. What will be here? The remaining portion. The last one விட்டுட்டு I have to take the other 3. 8 into plus 4 divided by x3 minus x0. x3 minus x0 is 16. Then x3 minus x1 will become 12. x3 minus x2 will become 8. After all the substitutions, I can say I will be getting 6.25 minus 60 plus 120 plus 42.5, which will be equal to 108.75, or approximately this is 109 tons estimated output. Okay, approximately this will become 109 tons, 1000 tons, 109,000 tons is my output from the factory. Okay, so you have to write the formula, you have to substitute. This is a bit lengthy problem. You have to be very careful in substituting the values. Okay, we will do our 10th problem, then you will be getting more familiar with this. Okay, we will do our 10th problem. What is our 10th problem? They are given ஒரு பேஜுக்கு ஒரு சம் செய்யுங்க, அதுக்கு மேலே எக்ஸ்ட்ரா பண்ண வேணாம், திருப்பவும் வேணாம், பேஜ் திருப்பக்கூடாது, திருப்பினா தப்பு தான் வரும். ஓகே, ஸோ கம்மிங் டு த 10th ப்ராப்ளம், they have given we have to form this formula, அதாவது we have to find it for x is equal to 26. x is equal to 26. Okay, now I am going to find the 3 tabular columns, alana 3 values, அதாவது so what is first one? X minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2, then x minus x3. Then x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3. Then I will be having x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3. முடிஞ்சது ரெண்டு வேல்யூ. Then x2 minus x3. இது அப்படியே சைக்கிளிக்காக போயிடுச்சு. My x வந்து 26, எல்லா பக்கம் 26 போட்டு வச்சுக்கலாம். இங்கே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் காலமில் மட்டும்தான் 26 வரும். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் மை x0, x1, x2 இங்கே கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். இட் வில் பி 15, 25, 30, 35. இங்கே 15 தான் எல்லாமே. இங்கே 15, 15, 15, மைனஸ் மைனஸ் மைனஸ். தென் x1, x2, x3 அப்படியே போட்டுக்கலாம். 25, 30, 35. இப்போ x1 என்ன நமக்கு ஆல்வேஸ் 25 தான், இங்கே 25. வாட் இஸ் மை x2 அண்ட் x3? இப்படி 30, 35. இப்போ எப்படி சைக்கிளிக்காக வரும்போது உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியாக ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்க முடியும். ஓகே, now what is 26 minus 15? I'll be getting it as 11. When I start filling the values, I will understand. Okay, I'll be having in the subtraction, you can do it in your mind itself. Okay, அப்பதான் you will not forget the minus sign, otherwise you will be going wrong in your minus sign. Then minus 5. இது வரைக்கும் we found out. Now we have to apply the formula. Okay, the same formula, x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3 divided by x0 minus x1 into x0 minus x2 into x0 minus x3 into y0. This will be my first term. அதுக்கப்புறம் செகண்ட் டேர்ம் எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்பீங்க? இப்போ அது வந்து y1ல முடியணும், அப்போ x1 வரக்கூடாது மேலே. ஸோ தட் வில் பி x மைனஸ் x0, இந்த டேர்மை விட்டுட்டு x மைனஸ் x2 இன்ட்டு எக்ஸ் மைனஸ் x3. இங்கே 1ல முடிகிறங்காட்டி அப்போ எல்லாமே x1 வச்சு தான் வரணும். x1 மைனஸ் x0, x1 மைனஸ் x2 இன்ட்டு x1 மைனஸ் x3. சிமிலர்லி இங்கே y3 வரணும், y2 வரணும், இங்கே y3 வரணும். ஸோ ரெண்டுமே நமக்கு வரும். வாட் இஸ் y2 முடிக்கணும் விடணும் அப்படின்னா x மைனஸ் x0 இன்ட்டு எக்ஸ் மைனஸ் x1 இன்ட்டு எக்ஸ் மைனஸ் x2. 2 வரக்கூடாது, ஸோ திஸ் வில் பி 3. இங்கே 3 வரணும் அப்படின்னா, இங்கே 2 வரக்கூடாது அப்படின்னா இங்கே x2 மைனஸ் x0, இங்கே x2 மைனஸ் x1 அண்ட் x2 மைனஸ் x3. ஓகே, ஹியர் ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் x3 டேர்ம், ஸோ மேலே இருக்கிற 3 டேர்ம்ஸ் அப்படியே ஐ கேன் ரைட். இது வந்து சைக்கிளிக்காக பண்ணுறங்காட்டி இட் வில் பி வெரி ஈஸி ஃபார் யூ டு டூ இட். ஸோ டோன்ட் மக் அப் த ஃபார்முலா, டோன்ட் மக் அப் த ஃபார்முலா. இது ஒரு பசில் மாதிரி ட்ரை அவுட், தென் யூ வில் பி ஏபிள் டு ரிமெம்பர் எனி டைம். ஸோ திஸ் வில் பி x3 மைனஸ் x0, x3 மைனஸ் x1, x3 மைனஸ் x2. ஓகே, இதை வச்சு we have to substitute. What is this? First one x naught illama we have to find. So 1 into 4 minus 4 into minus 9 divided by minus 10 into minus 15 into minus 20. அப்படியே y naught or value பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it is 36. Y naught value is 36 plus what is x minus x naught? Numerator மட்டும் fill பண்ணலாம். This is minus 4 into minus 9 divided by what is my x1 minus x naught? X1 minus x naught. So this is 10. X1 minus x2 would be minus 5 into minus 10. Yes, into y1. What is my y1? Y1 is 40. Okay, y1 is 40. 40 விட்டுட்டு போயிடக்கூடாது. Then there is one plus sign here. So plus. Okay, what will be my leftovers in the ரெண்டு term? x2 விடணும். So 11 into 1 into minus 4 into minus 9. So 11 into 1 into minus 4 into minus 9. I should not have x minus x2, right? So x minus x2, so this minus 4 will not come. Divided by, I should have only 3 terms. x2 minus x0. x2 minus x0 will become 15. Then x2 minus x1 will become 5. Then x2 minus x3 is equal to minus 5. Then what is my y2? y2 is 45. Plus I should have first 3 terms. So 11 into 1 into minus 4. Divided by, I have to say x3 minus x0. x3 minus x0 is 20 and x3 minus x1 will become plus 10. x3 minus x2 will become 5 and my y3 is equal to 48. Okay, so now I can simplify. When I simplify, I get as minus 0.432 plus 31.68 plus 11.88 minus 2.112, which is equal to 41.016. That is approximately 42%. 42% will be getting an income not exceeding rupees 26 per month. Okay, the income will not be more than 26 per month for these 3 workers. Yeah, going to our 11th problem. 11th problem, they are asking, they are giving x is equal to 1985. So again I have to form the table. How will I form the table? It is x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3. Then it is x naught minus x1, x naught minus x2, x naught minus x3. Then it is x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3. Then it is x2 minus x3. Only that one. Now I will have to find out. It is 1985. This is 1985. Again 1985 and 1985. Minus minus minus. What is my x naught? X naught is 1982, 1983, 1984 and 1986. Here what is my x naught? 1982. So in this column it will be all same. What is that? It is 1983, 1984, then 1986. What is my x1? It will be 1983 here. So minus 1984 and minus 1 1986. This is 1984 minus 1986. When I subtract, I can find out the values as 3, 2, 1 and minus 1. Here it will be minus 1, minus 2, then there is 1 minus 4. What is here? It will be minus 1, minus 3 and minus 2. So with these values I can substitute. I am not writing the big formula. You can write the formula here. Write the formula first. I am just doing the substitution. Okay. So first one I will not be having 3. So I should have only the other 3 values. Then in the denominator I will be having these 3 values. So it will be minus 1, minus 2 into minus 4. What is my y naught? It will be 150 plus What is my y1? First I will fill that 235. Then plus what is the third value? It is 365. And what is my fourth value? Is 525. What will happen here? Now I have to leave the first value, no, the second value I have to leave. So 3 into 1 into minus 1 divided by x1 minus x0. So this will be 1. Then x1 minus x2 and x1 minus x3. Done this. Now coming to this portion I have to leave this one. So that will be 3 into 2 into minus 1 divided by x2 minus x0. So that is this. x2 minus x1, that will be 1. x2 minus x3 will be minus 2. Then here I have to leave the last term. So it will be 3 into 2 into 1 divided by, I will be having 3 values, that is x3. So x3 minus x0 is 4. Yes. Then x3 minus x1 will be 3. Then x3 minus x2 will be 2. Okay. Now when I simplify, I will be getting the values as 37.5 minus 235 plus 547.5 plus 131.25. You can cancel it and then you can add it. Then only it will be easy. It is equal to 481.25. Okay, that is equal to approximately 482. Okay. Now in the book back question or the book back answer, your answer is 444.7. 444.57 lakhs. You can ignore this because this is the correct answer. 482 lakhs will be your answer. Now your homework will be exercise 5.2. 12th problem is your homework. Okay. Do this according to the Lagrange's interpolation formula technique. Do like this. It will be very easy. It will be easy to remember the formula also. Please don't muck up the formula. Complete the homework and send it to me in the WhatsApp number. Thank you.